Okay, a very good morning children. Children, in the previous class, we were discussing many things about irrational number. Today, and you have also read in class 7, how to find rational numbers between any two given rational number. What does it mean? It means if you are given any two rational number, you can find some irrational numbers between them. Now the question is, if I ask you how many rational numbers are there between any two given rational numbers, I think you can easily answer. There are infinitely many rational numbers. We can find infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Now if there exists infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rationals, then how to find those rationals? Okay? What is the process? What is the concept? Let us see. Okay? I am giving one example where I will make you understand the different steps. See? Suppose you are given two rational numbers, say -2 and 5. You see, -2 and 5. These are two rational numbers. Okay? Rational numbers. And between these two rational numbers, suppose you want to insert three rational numbers between them. Suppose we want to find three rationals between them. Between them means between -2 and 5. Okay? This is a negative rational number, this is a positive rational number. 5 means 5 by 1, -2 means -2 by 1. It is in p by q form, it is also in p by q form, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0, that is 1 not equal to 0. Here also the denominator 1, q equal to 1 is not equal to 0. So these are no doubt rational numbers. Now how can we find infinitely many rational numbers between these two? Particularly we are interested to find three rational numbers. What is the process? You see, look at the formula. Suppose you are given two rational numbers, you have to remember this. If a and b are two rationals, any two rational number with a less than b, with a less than b or where a less than b, you can say. If a and b are two rationals where a less than b, then a plus b by 2, which is equal to half into a plus b. You see, a plus b by 2 is same as half into a plus b. So if a less than b and a and b are two rationals, then this a plus b by 2 or half into a plus b is a rational number. It is a rational number between whom? Between a and b, such that a must be less than a plus b by 2, which is again less than b. See children, what is the meaning of this? It was there in class 7, but you might have forgot. That is why I am discussing once again. You see, you are given two rational numbers a and b, where a is less than b. If it is so, that means if a is less than b, then this will be half into a plus b or a plus b by 2 will be the required irrational number that you want to find. This will be the required rational number between a and b, such that it must satisfy this condition. What is the condition? The condition is the rational number a plus b by 2, which you found, must be less than b and greater than a. Then only we say this is a rational number lying between a and b. Any number lying between, you see children, any number lying between two numbers must be, suppose you see, if I say 2 lies between 3 and 1, you see, if I write 2 less than 3 and greater than 1, 2 less than 3 and greater than 1, then definitely 2 lies between 1 and 3. Okay? So in order that this rational number will lie between a and b, it must satisfy this inequality. This is very important. Okay? That a plus b by 2 must satisfy this inequality. So what is this? Let us apply that concept here in this problem. Okay? So here we are given two rational numbers, one is -2, the other is 5. And what is our aim? Our aim is to find three rational numbers between them. Okay? Now how to find? So out of these two rational numbers, take one as a, the other as b. Suppose a equal to, let a equal to -2 and b equal to say 5. Now what is the condition? C. First we have to see which one is smaller. A is smaller than b or b is smaller than a. See, minus 2 which is a negative rational number and 5 is a positive rational number. So clearly A is less than B. Okay, clearly A is less than B. So if A is less than B, what is the formula? Half into A plus B is the required rational number. Half into A plus B is the required rational number. So you see, what is the first rational number? So the first rational, you see, suppose the first rational we will denote by symbol R1. R1, how to find out? It will be half into A plus B. Now you put the value, half into minus 2 plus 5. It is half into 3, that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, look at 3 by 2 will be the first rational number between minus 2 and 5. So then we have to see whether this one satisfies this inequality or not. Clearly, you see, clearly 3 by 2 is less than 5 and greater than minus 2. You can verify. You can verify the truth of this inequality. Okay, whether 3 by 2 is less than 5 and greater than minus 2 or not. Clearly less, because you see 2 into 5 is 10. Bring 2 to this side here. 2 into 5 is 10 and 3 is less than 10. So 3 by 2 is less than 5. Similarly, if 2 comes to this side, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 and 3 is no doubt greater than minus 4, because 3 is a positive number and minus 4 is a negative number. So 3 greater than minus 4, that means 3 by 2 greater than minus 2. Okay, so 3 by 2 satisfies this inequality. Hence 3 by 2 is the first rational number between minus 2 and 5. Now how to find the second rational number? You see, now to find the second rational number, you see, now to find the second rational number, suppose second rational number, let us denote it by equal to second rational number, say R2. How to find R2? Now see. Now here minus 2 is less than 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 is less than 5. Now the second rational number we will find either between 3 by 2 and 5 or minus 2 and 3 by 2, as you like. The second rational number, because minus 2 is less than this. If you take this one A and this one B, you can find the second number between minus 2 and 3 by 2. If you see again 3 by 2 is less than 5, so take this one A and this one B, you can find the second rational number between 3 by 2 and 5 also. So I will write, suppose I will find the second rational number between minus 2 and 3 by 2. Second rational number between minus 2 and 3 by 2. So you see, minus 2 and 3 by 2. Minus 2 is A, this is B, because this is less. This is a smaller number, this is a greater number. So how to find out? It is R2. What is the same process? Half into A plus B. In place of A you write minus 2. In place of B you write 3 by 2. Now you simplify this. This will be half into, this is minus 4 plus 3 divided by 2. You know how to add. You know how to add minus 2 and 3 by 2. Okay, this will be minus 1 by 2. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. It will be minus 1 by 4. You see. So the second rational number will be minus 1 by 4. And this rational number lies between, you see, this rational number minus 1 by 4 lies between minus 2 and 3 by 2. So how will I insert? You see, now I am inserting. Now I am going to insert this rational number. It is minus 2 less than minus 1 by 4 less than 3 by 2 less than 2. You see, we got two rational numbers. You see, the first rational number was 3 by 2. Now we got the second rational number, minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now we will find another, because our aim is to find three rational numbers. Now how to find the third rational number? See, now the third rational number you can find between minus 2 and minus 1 by 4, or minus 1 by 4 and 3 by 2, or 3 by 2 and 2. Why? Because you see, the reason is minus 2 is less than this one. So you can find the third rational number between these two, or between these two, because minus 1 by 4 is less than 3 by 2. Or you can find the third rational number between 3 by 2 and 2 also, because 3 by 2 is less than 2. So whichever you think convenient, you can find. You can find the third rational number between any two. Suppose let us find the third rational number between 3 by 2 and 2, because 3 by 2 is less than 2. Okay. Okay. Now see, third rational, you see, third rational number between, suppose 3 by 2 and 2. I am finding the third rational number between this and this. You can find between these two also. Okay. Whichever you want, you can find out. The condition is one should be less than the other. That is the main condition. 3 by 2 is less than 2, so I can find the third rational number between 3 by 2 and 2. See, it is suppose R3. Same process, half into A plus B. A is which one? This one is A because this is less than 2. So in place of A you put 3 by 2. In place of B you put 2 and you simplify. This will be half into 7 by 2 which will be equal to 7 by 4. You see. So 7 by 4 is the third rational number lying between 3 by 2 and 2. Now you insert it. After finding every rational number you insert so that the inequality will be satisfied. That satisfaction of inequality is very important. Then only that will be the required rational number between the given two rational. Otherwise no. If that one does not satisfy the inequality, then we cannot claim that this is a rational number between the given two rational numbers. See. So now you insert 7 by 4 between these two. So what will I write? Minus 2 less than minus 1 by 4 less than 3 by 2 and this is 7 by 4. This is less than 2. You see. Now I got three rational numbers, minus 1 by 4, 3 by 2 and 7 by 4. So these are the required rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 and 5 I have taken. Sorry, it is not 2. Minus 2 and 5. It is written 5. By mistake I wrote 2. It is 5. This is the first rational number 3 by 2 lying between minus 2 and 5. Then the second rational number we got how much? Minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4, this is less than, minus 2 less than minus 1 by 4, less than 3 by 2, less than 5. Now the third rational number is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 I found between which one? Between 3 by 2 and 2. So you see, this one satisfies the inequality. So in this way, you can find as many rational numbers as you like between any two given rational number. Okay, I hope you understood. We will discuss more about this chapter in the next class.